Hello my dear students, hope you're fine at home. Today we'll take up a chapter from our grammar book, chapter number 8, tenses, present and past. Tenses tell us about time, that is when an action is performed. So the tense of a verb shows when something happens, the time, okay, when the action is performed. When an action is performed. Read the following sentences. Number 1, children play in the garden. So in the verb sentence, the verb play. This is a verb. It tells us that the action is done now. It is in the present tense. So we use present tense to talk about the action that is happening now, that is performed now. And number 2, the children played in the garden. The root verb is play, but here past tense is used. Ed we have added, this becomes played. So in the above sentence, the verb played, this word, tells us that the action took place at an earlier time in the past. It is in the past tense. So the past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened. We add d or ed to the root verb to make it into the past tense, as we have added ed here. Now we have some more examples. Present tense, past tense. Radha writes a poem. Radha wrote a poem. So writes becomes wrote. I jump with joy. I jumped with joy. Jump changes to jumped. Mother cooks dinner. Mother cooked dinner. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. So we can change the words into past tense by adding d, ed or by changing the spellings. So here we have a few examples, like by adding d. So we'll change the verbs into past tense by adding d. Live, lived. Hope, hoped. Smile, smiled. Dive, dived. Raise, raised. And here we'll change the words into past tense by adding ed. Walk, walked. Learn, learned. Brush, brushed. Talk, talked. Rush, rushed. By changing spellings. So we'll change the words into past tense by changing the spellings. We'll not add d or ed. We'll change the spellings. Sing, sang. Drive, drove. Swim, swam. Catch, caught. Meet, met. This is page number 21. Exercises are given. Question A. Change these verbs from present to past by adding d or ed. So in all these words, we have to add d or ed. We have to change these words into past tense. Clean, cleaned. Want, wanted. Invent, invented. Close, closed. Open, opened. Cool, cooled. Jump, jumped. Melt, melted. Show, showed. Move, moved. So you see here in all these words we have added d or ed and we have changed the words into past tense. Now question number B, change these verbs from present to past. Number 1, teach, taught. Write, wrote. See, saw. SAW, saw. Eat, ate. Stand, stood. Run, ran. Sleep, slept. Say, said. Sit, sat. Give, gave. Play, played. Walk, walked. Sing, sang. Go, went. Jump, jumped. Drink, drank. Pray, prayed. Hop, hopped. HOPPED, hopped. Dance, danced. Swim, swam. So children, you will complete question number A and question number B in your grammar books and you will learn the forms, okay, with spellings. That's all for today. Thank you.